Welcome to Learning. Today we are going to discuss RRB GK previous year questions. Banabhatta was the court poet of which king? Banabhatta was the court poet of which king? Banabhatta was the court poet of Harshavardhana. Banabhatta was 7th century Sanskrit prose writer and court poet of King Harshavardhana. The Harsha-charita is a biography of Indian Emperor Harsha by Banabhatta. The Harsha-charita is the biography of Indian Emperor Harsha by Banabhatta. Kanishka was related to which dynasty? Kanishka was related to Kushana dynasty. Option C is the answer. Kanishka was the most powerful ruler of the Kushana dynasty. In 78 AD, he ascended the throne and launched a sambat called Saka Sambat. Saka Sambat. Kanishka launched Saka Sambat, which is used in government of India. 78 AD is also considered to be the beginning of the Shaka era. It is the beginning of Shaka era. Beginning of Shaka era. During his reign, the 4th Buddhist Association at Kundalavan, Kashmir, under the chairmanship of Buddhist Vasamitra was held. Kanishka died in 101 AD. He was a follower of Mahayana sect. Last ruler of the Kushana dynasty was Vasudeva. Last ruler of the Kushana dynasty was Vasudeva. Kanishka was related to Kushan dynasty. Kanishka was the most powerful ruler of the Kushana dynasty. In 78 AD, he ascended the throne and launched a sambat called Saka Sambat, which is used in government of India. 78 AD is also considered to be the beginning of the Shaka era. Kanishka was the most powerful ruler of Kushana dynasty. In 78 AD, he ascended the throne and launched a sambat called Saka Sambat. The Saga era was started in 78 AD. The most famous of the Kushana king was Kanishka. The most famous of Kushana was Kanishka. Most famous the Kushana ruler was Kanishka. Third ruler of the Kushana dynasty, capital was Purishpur, Peshwar. In the beginning of the country, in the beginning of the last century BC, the Kushanas established their authority over the northwest border of India. Option C, first, in the beginning of the first century BC, the Kushanas established their authority over the northwest border of India. The Hadigumba inscription from Udayagiri in Odisha was written by the king of Kalinga, Kharvel. In Odisha, an inscription found in hill cave called Udayagiri is famous as Hadigumba inscription. It is also called a datelet inscription. It was engraved by Kaligarga Karwal. This article is in Prakrit language and has great importance in ancient history. Which dynasty did Harshavardhana belong to? Harshavardhana belonged to Pushyabhudi dynasty. Harshavardhana belonged to Pushyabhudi dynasty. Harshavardhana was born in 590 AD to King Prabhagar Vardhana of Tanesar. He belonged to Pushyabhudi dynasty, also called Vardhana dynasty. Ravikirti's Aihole inscription speaks in detail the victory of Pulikesh over Harsha. Devikirti's eyeball inscription speaks in detail Pulakeshin's achievements, particularly how he fought and achieved a victory over Harshavardhana. Harshavardhana was defeated by Puligeshi II, king of the Chalukya dynasty. Puligeshi II was the king of Chalukya dynasty. Who among the following visited India during the reign of Harshavardhana? Huangsang. Huangsang visited India during the reign of Harshavardhana. List of foreign travelers to India. Huangsang, the Chinese travel visited India during the supremacy of Harshavardhana and wrote the book See You Keep. Fahen, the Chinese traveler, visited India during the rule of Chandragupta II. Fahen visited India during the rule of Chandragupta II. Marco Polo traveled across southern India when Rudradevi of Kakadiya dynasty was in power. Which Chinese traveler visited India during the Gupta period? Fahen. The Prayaga Prashasti, also known as the Allahabad Pillar inscription, gives us information about the achievements of Samudragupta. Prayaga Prashasti, also known as Allahabad Pillar inscription, gives us information about the achievements of Samudragupta. The Prayaga Parishati, which is also known as the Allahabad Pillar inscription, gives us information about the achievements of Samudragupta. It was written in Sanskrit and composed by Harisena, the court poet of Samudragupta. Name the person who had a major influence in the field of algebra in India. It is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was the first of the major mathematician astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. His contribution in mathematics was place value system and zero, approximation of pi, trigonometry, indeterminate equation. Aryabhatta was the first of the major mathematician astronomers from the classical age of Indian mathematics and Indian astronomy. Who was the court poet of King Harshavardhana? Answer Banabhatta. Banabhatta was the court poet of Harshavardhana. He wrote a book, Harsha Jarida, which depicts about the rule of Harsha. Huyanti Sang visited India during Harsha's reign in 7th century. Harsha is considered to be writer of 3 Sanskrit verses, Ratnavali, Priyadarshika, Nagananda. This is the last question of this section. Thank you.